Charcoal briquetting technology. The use of conventional charcoal has its negative effects due to its smoke-emitting characteristic that irritates the eyes and harms the environment. Despite this, charcoal continues to be a high-demand product here in the Philippines, used in gardening, keeping the house odorless, and most especially in cooking. To meet the pressing demand and reduce environment impact, the Industrial Technology Development Institute of the Department of Science and Technology developed the charcoal briquetting technology. For occupational safety and health, proper protective gears must be worn. For starters, charcoal briquetting is a process of molding raw materials, such as coal, coconut shell, rice hull, coconut husk, sawdusts, and other biomass materials under compaction pressure, which produces finer and more uniform chunks of charcoal. ITDI's charcoal briquetting technology is unique because it is slow burning, produces least smoke, and can easily be stored, which makes it more efficient and economical. To produce charcoal briquettes, you will need the following: cornstarch as binder, cooking stove, dryer, raw material binder mixer, modified drum-type carbonizer with condenser, or biomass oven for small production. To make high-grade charcoal briquettes, the following process is being done by ITDI. Carbonize first the coal using a 7.5 kilogram per hour capacity modified drum carbonizer. Tip: carbonization takes time, so remember to do this step prior to the other processes. The yield of carbonization is about 30 to 32% for cocoa shell, 25% for rice hull, husk, and 20% for sawdusts. Binder mixture. Dissolve a pack of starch in boiling water in the ratio of 1:10 and set aside. Once the raw material has been carbonized, crush the material using an electrically operated crusher or raw material binder mixer. Since we use rice husks as raw material, there is no need to crush the carbonized rice husks. Using a 10 kilogram capacity per batch mechanical mixer, mix the starch binder with the fine carbonized material to achieve uniform quality briquettes by coating the fines with a film of the binder. The charcoal binder mixture is now ready for briquetting through a manual type 100 kilograms per day capacity compressor. Processed charcoal briquettes should be placed on wire mesh trays and dried by air or sunlight for 2 to 3 days. Duration of drying will depend on the condition of air. The charcoal briquettes are now ready for usage or for packaging and selling. Tip: for a barangay-level charcoal briquette production, 100 kilograms of briquettes can be made in 8 hours per day. For more information, contact DOST ITDI or visit www.itdi.dost.gov.ph.